As time passes, only great moments will be remembered. On this momentous occasion, we offer to you not just the stabilizer. Introducing the WEEBILL 2. It has been upgraded in all aspects in an all-in-one design. From now on, your creativity will no longer be hindered by any technical constraints. WEEBILL 2 inherited the classic sling structure of its series. Inserted with the latest Infineon chip, WEEBILL 2 can precisely detect subtle movements and significantly improve the stability with great responsiveness. The onboard flip-out full-color touchscreen paired with the AI video transmitter not only can adjust parameters, but can also track your subject via facial recognition while monitoring. You will not miss a moment. Receiving your camera live feed through the touchscreen can be extremely helpful, especially when shooting in vortex mode. Beside the common modes, which now can be also activated via a switch, change into portrait mode just with a simple touch. Achieve awesome vertigo shots with the better placed control wheel. The internal battery lasts about 9 hours, and its runtime can be extended via a power bank. Shoot for as long as you want. And it doesn't stop there. Meet its companion, the Master Eye remote control system. While receiving the live feed of the camera, change parameters on the fly. Besides that, access wireless camera and focus controls. The new image transmitter allows you to connect multiple devices, so your client and director can achieve better communication. It is indeed the integrated solution for optimal teamwork. WEEBILL 2 is compatible with the most popular camera and lens combos on the market. So now you finally have the best solution for capturing big moments. WEEBILL 2. Move and see differently. Zhiyun.